Hi there, welcome to my kitchen. Today let's make these delicious barbecue chicken wings in my air fryer. It is so easy to make and it's so delicious. Okay, so what you're gonna need is our chicken, and I'm just gonna wash it and then I'm gonna pat it dry with my paper towels, and then I will add my seasoning. So for my seasoning I only need one spice, which is the spicy roast chicken from McDonald's. And then I'm just gonna coat my chicken with that. If you want, you can add olive oil, but there is no need because our wings have their own fats anyway. And then I put that in the air fryer, and then I'm gonna set it for 20 minutes. But halfway through, I'm just gonna flip it to make sure that it cooks through evenly on both sides. Okay, and then here I'm gonna make my sauce. So for my sauce, I'm gonna mold some butter. Then I'm gonna add some herbs, and then I'm gonna add my barbecue sauce. For my barbecue sauce, I used chili sauce, and then I also mixed it with barbecue smoky sauce from Woolies. And then I'm also gonna add my maple syrup and my Worcestershire sauce. And then I'm gonna keep mixing all of that up to make sure that it does not burn. Okay, so here I just keep on stirring my sauce to make sure it doesn't burn, and then here I am just shaking up my wings also to make sure that they don't burn and they cook evenly on both sides. And then when my sauce is bubbling like that, then it means it's ready. Okay, then I'm just gonna add my wings here, and then I'm gonna mix all of that up and then let it sit for maybe 2 minutes, and then we are ready to plate and eat. Look at that, it is so delicious. Actually, it's the best wings I have ever made. If you make these, let me know in the comment section, and have yourself a great day. Until next time, thank you, bye.